Namaste students, myself JBN Dr. Arun Kumar Singh, Faculty of Education Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. I welcome to all of you in my digital class BSc B.Ed ZBC 8th semester. We will discuss the topic function of chromosomes. What is chromosomes? The word chromosomes is derived from two Greek words, chroma means colored, and soma means body, colored body. Chromosomes are the rod-shaped dark stand bodies as seen during metaphase stage of mitosis, when the cells are stained with a suitable basis dye and viewed under the light microscope. The dye is used as carmine. Chromosomes were first described by Strasburger, and term chromosomes was firstly used Waldears in 1888. Although chromosomes were first described in 1875, their role in heredity was suggested independently by Sutton and Boveri in 1902 through their chromosomal theory of inheritance. The various functions of chromosomes are explained below. Firstly, chromosome provides the genetic information. It is universally accepted that DNA is a genetic material and that in eukaryotic almost all the DNA is present in chromosomes. Thus, the most important function of chromosomes is to provide the genetic information for various cellular functions essential for survival, growth, development, and reproduction, etc. of organisms. Chromosomes contain the gene, which are the basic unit of inheritance, the help in transfer of genetic information from parents to offspring. Okay. Second characters, packaging of genetic materials. Each somatic cells of human contains DNA of about 174 centimeter long, but the nucleus of the cell which contain the DNA is only 6 microns in diameter. The nucleus would not be able to accommodate such large amount of DNA without DNA packaging. All the DNA in human somatic cells is packaged compactly into 23 pairs of chromosomes with the help of histone and non-histone proteins. See in this diagram. Chromosome proteins, the genetic materials. Chromosome protects the genetic material, A very important function of chromosome is to protect the genetic materials from being damaged during cell division. If all the DNA present in human somatic cells is fully extended, it would measure about 174 centimeter. A DNA molecules of such a length would be prone to breakage even under the most gentle situation prevailing in the cell. Next function, distribution of DNA to daughter cells. The properties of chromosomes ensure the precise distribution of DNA to the daughter nuclei during cell division. As a result, each of the two daughter nuclei produced through one mitotic division receives the same number of chromosomes as the parent nucleus. On the other hand, each of the four nuclei produced after one complete meiotic division gets only half number of chromosomes as the parent nuclei, right? Next, regular and directional movement of genetic material. Chromosome movements is believed to occur mainly due to the shortening of spindle fiber. These fibers are attached to the centromeric regions of chromosomes, thus ensuring the regular and directional movement of the genetic materials during cell division. Next functions of the chromosomes, regulation of gene action. Gene action in eukaryotic is believed to be regulated through histone and non-histone proteins associated with chromosomes. Okay. Next functions, correct replication of DNA. Semi-conservative replication of a linear DNA molecules inevitably leaves a short sequence at the two ends of these molecules in unreplicated state. This will lead to a progressive shortening of the molecules after every round of replication. Chromosome organization avoid this shortening as follow. The telomere are made up of several copies of a short replicating sequence. The enzyme telomerase add copies of this sequence at the chromosome ends. Okay, therefore the shortening that occurs due to replication is adequately compressed for the telomere action and the chromosomes length is maintained. Next, help in sex determination. Humans have 22 pairs of autosomes which determine the somatic characters and one pair of allosomes which are responsible for sex determination. Okay. Human females contain 2 X chromosomes and produce only one copy of gametes. The male, on the other hand, has 1 X and 1 Y chromosomes. The heterogametic and produce 2 copies of gametes X and Y. Fusion of X sperm with ovum result in development of female sex and fusion of ovum with Y sperm result in male sex. Okay, this system of sex determination is found in Drosophila, humans and some other mammals. Thank you.